Hi, this is Ian Thompson. Many people ask me exactly what you get as a Traders International member, and therefore that's what I'm going to cover very quickly in this video. The very first thing that you get is you get access to the e-course, the Trading Room e-course, and that's what this screen is here. This is the welcome screen to the e-course. And as you can see, the course is broken down into about 36 different lessons. And they run from things like basic introduction to the components of or the things you're going to be working with, like candlesticks and charts, through how to recognize different signals. There's a quiz on signals, more signals about how to use your trading platform, and some of the important things when getting yourself set up and going, like back testing, and some of the support information from Traders International, how to use that effectively, so the classroom sessions and so on. And if you're going to trade outside the main market, how the pre-market works, how the difference with the pro room, and then there's access here to a video library of further videos that would be useful to go through. And the last thing it ends up with taking you on through the roadmap to how you get going as a trader. So those are the 36 components within the lesson itself. What I'm going to do now is click on one of these lessons and you can hear exactly what it sounds like.
In this segment, traders, we're going to walk through the structure of a TI buy signal. Now, let's start with candlestick movements. First thing we need to see for a buy signal is price generating a lower low.
Okay, so as a member, the first thing that you do is work carefully through the Trading Room e-course, and there's about a little over 5 hours of videos contained in these videos in here, so it covers everything very extensively. Once you've completed working through the training course, the next thing to do is to go into the members area within Traders International website itself. And I've logged in to the members area here, and you can see at the top here we've got 3 tabs at the top here: the members home page, which is where we are at the moment, the trading room, where we'll go to in a second, and the classroom tab. Now, there isn't a classroom session on right at the moment, so I can't take you in there, but there are classroom sessions most days, and there are sessions where you can log on, you can talk with the moderator, talk with the professional trader, and ask questions while about how to trade, about what's happening in the market, and so on. So they're great places to get all of your questions answered and build up your strength of your trading. But we will go to the trading room in just a second, but first of all let me cover off quickly what you've got on the home page itself. The first thing over in this section here is you can see there are daily video recaps. Most days there is a video recorded here which is really well worth watching. It's educational information about what has happened in the market, what may be happening in the market, how trading information. So they're not long videos, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but they're really powerful information about the changes that are happening in the marketplace, so they're well worth checking out. Down the bottom here we've got a classroom library, and again these are videos which are important sessions that have been held in a library for you to access it at other times. So one about e-signal tick charts, one about setting up Ninja, which is the trading platform, support and resistance charts. So there are a lot of charts there, a lot of videos rather there, and you can go further into the library to see more information there. On this side over here we've got the member links. Now these are the key new things that really you should be checking out quite carefully. So at the moment they've just improved the signals for the continuation signal, so there's 2 videos on that here. They've introduced a new signal called the DS signal, and this video explains all that. There's a video on the psychology of trading, and the T3 again is another signal. So this updates any information that you might have had in the e-course with any late breaking news. But what we'll do right now is we'll get straight into the trading room itself, which we do by clicking on this tab here, and then this will open up in a new window for us in a second. Here we go. And in this grey section here, the charts will appear. This is what the trading room looks like, and there's three sections to it. There's the charts here, there's a section over here which covers things like telling you how many people are online at the moment, telling you which of the moderators is online and which is online and is talking at the moment. It's also got the information resources here. So in the shared folders there are many documents about signals, bid ask, breach documents, how to connect Ninja up to eSignal. So many documents and little routines that can be very useful are held in the shared folders for you. And in the favorite links, again, links to useful places. So that's all on that side of the page. Down at the bottom is where you communicate with the professional trader, and at any time you like you can type your message in here and press the enter button, and that message will then appear on the professional trader's computer. He will read that message and then he will be able to talk back to you and everybody else about what is happening and be able to answer your question there. But for the moment, what I want to do now is move on to the charts themselves. Now, the charts are probably the bulk of where you would spend your time. As you can see, these charts here, I need to use the scroll bars on the screen here to move them around so that I can see the exact bit that I want to look at. And that's because it's being broadcast in high quality. What I can do if I want is use this fit to screen button to reduce the size of the chart so I can see the whole chart on my screen. And if we hide away this bit down the bottom and this bit at the side, then the charts will fill up the available space. At the moment, the professional trader, he's got two charts running. These are both of the S&P 500. This is a slightly slower version of this one. Now what I will do here is I will let you listen to the professional trader.
Support grid now. Support grid becomes an issue because we can see we're at yesterday's low. And remember, in order to generate a support grid, we need to draw the grid from a low price to a higher price. Well, we're at yesterday's low price, so we know that we're at the zero fib grid point. You could get a continuation sell, but look at the volume spike on this at the support off the the 377. So at the very bottom of that move, we had the largest spike of that move to the downside.
Okay, so that's what it sounds like to be in the trading room. You will have heard Rich, the moderator in the trading room at the moment, just then starting to warn people that there could be a sell signal forming, and that's exactly what his job is to guide people through what's happening in the market and tell them when to buy and when to sell, so live in real time. So if that were to form into a sell signal, people will be ready to take that signal and take the profit from it. So look, that's a very quick tour of what happens in the trading room and what it's like to be a TI member. If you'd like a longer personal tour where I can spend more time with you, showing you exactly what happens, and we can spend a little longer in the trading room as well, then we can do that. So make sure that you've spent the time going through watching the live trading session, so that you're up to speed with everything that happens there first, and that you've watched our videos. But if you've done that and you'd like a full tour of the TI trading room, then get in touch with me, and I'll happily schedule a time that works for both of us to do that tour for you. And I look forward to speaking to you real soon. Bye for now.